it's scorching hot outside. Are you melting in this heat? Don't worry, we've just got the solution for you. Today on Lemon Cone, we're making refreshing watermelon drinks in 2 amazing ways. Let's get started. First up, we're making a healthy watermelon slush. It's super easy and perfect for cooling down. So grab your blender and let's go. Add your frozen watermelon pieces to the blender next to a drizzle of honey and a splash of lemon juice. Blend it all up until smooth. If it's too thick or difficult to blend, add a bit of water to get the perfect smoothness. Mint leaves and a slice of lemon. And here it is, our vibrant, refreshing watermelon slush. It's smooth, colorful, and what you need to beat the summer heat. Quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do and ring the bell to stay connected with us for more tasty recipes. Now let's move on to our second watermelon drink. This one's a bit more flavorful and super refreshing. Add the watermelon pieces to your blender, followed by a splash of lemon juice, a bit of sugar, adjust to your taste or skip if you prefer, some fresh mint leaves, a pinch of black salt, add water and blend it all up. Now let's serve it in 2 exciting ways. First, add some watermelon chunks to a glass, then drop in Ruafza ice balls. We made these by mixing Ruafza syrup with water and freezing it in ball-shaped trays. Or you can use regular ice cubes. Pour the blended juice over and garnish with more watermelon chunks. Mint leaves. This drink is not only beautiful and refreshing but also packed with the delightful flavors of watermelon and lemon, perfect for any hot day. For the second way, take a glass and add the Ruafza ice, lemon slices and mint leaves. Pour half a glass of watermelon juice, then top it off with soda water or sparkling water. Garnish to your liking and enjoy. Refreshing watermelon drink ready to cool you down this summer, perfect for staying hydrated and refreshed. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and give them a try. Don't forget to leave us a feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching Lemon Cone. Until next time, keep blending, keep smiling.